Can I post Skibo again? You want to pay? Yes, na me talk. Yeah, give me today. All location you have given me 3 good time location and you are failing. The other day I told you, guy, help me with my career. Help me with my career. Let me start something content. Let me start. Put me through what's going on. You post some today, you post me tomorrow. You have given me 3 good time location. Now back location give me like I'm Chinapata. See, you know, sure, gets me the busy getting it. Eh? When you want to make because of nature, they turn say that you cannot come with me. Yes. Put me anywhere, present me anywhere. I will defend it. Yes, I said I have come to Saga. I'm not sagging you. What I'm telling you is the fact. It is the fact that after him passing a prison Senegal 8 good months and 20 days. Again. But what I'm saying now is this pompousness again or prosperity is too much. Your prosperity is too. What are you claiming? Can you form? Well, guy, come put me through. You used to be my guy. Now you any matter about food. You know people that is with you against you. I know I'm back, even do everything, help me. Man, lot of is there about the same day, the same about with you, guy. Nobody say me and you know the same about. We did the same about. Guy, you don't give me 3 good time. Don't you know how Nigeria is? Hit and a man up to you cannot chop Ken. You won't want to come with the same about. Do your intimate email on bro. To show that I'm not afraid. I have proof of everything I said. You wanted to tell them. I told you that my YouTube and my ownership is meant for women or for women. I know that's how you now want all the guys in my prison, but after 28 months and 20 days. Organ a phone guy. Nanum naba. They say me the busy today. Here almost 2 weeks or 3 movies no naba. You see the busy. I didn't busy, eat the busy. In name location gaga my home. What are you feeling like? Now one of the share them that I didn't give you is what is making you angry, guy. You tell me, not by posting me around. Do I look like a child to you? Someone now call 8 months to come back. And for people that is going to see this as a saga or a violence, this is true. You people should caution that guy. You have to punish him. Yes, let him leave ho alone. Because I know that what is vexing him now, why he's doing all this is now is because of that I didn't give him ownership. Guy, do your work with them, but it's not Imatala, Rayoko. Look at my brother location in your Sapota. Nagane, Obitalo Numio, Unga pretend Igbo wofu, Mana boy can be. Put location can prove you can go walk is it out each Coco.